I just ended the last video so abruptly, but I feel so good about it. Anyway, it's our temporary change, and we're carrying on with Half-Life. I'm going to go meet, you know, the guy. Don't know who the guy, oh, the guy, I saw him on TV once, so, you know him, right? You've all seen him on TV too. Where am I going, actually? Ooh, box. But anyway, how you guys doing? Yeah, I'm doing great. That's good. Hope you guys are just peachy. No, peachy's bad, isn't it? Peachy's like, yeah, I'm alright. But I want you guys to be pitch perfect. Ooh. Oh no. I need to run for my life, cause I just saw a helicopter and he's coming for my ass, cause I know that so. Oh my gosh, I just blew up. Okay. Damn, I should write songs. I just turned Barney into a song about blowing up a helicopter. Who can play at this game? Who's gonna win? I crashed. Look at that, that was a clean 180 turn. No resistance. Aha, I hear beeping. That means he's going down. Oh. Man, just die. Oh, don't run. There we go. Oh, never mind. Oh! Oh, he's coming for another one. You can't kill me. Oh, that is actually terrifying. Now we're back for another standoff. There we go, there's pieces falling off you. I know you're crying inside that helicopter knowing that your life is finished. There we go. That makes me feel good about myself. Now what about you? Now what do I do? I mean, this is pretty peaceful. Yep, I can live here. Oh, is this a lever? A lever? What do I do here? Well, that's a ladder. I know that. I know a ladder whenever I can see one. Worst things in the bloody world. It's a stupid ladder. Look at this thing. You just slide right up. I could have just done this during the boss fight. Oh, oops. Faster! Faster, slave. Oop. Faster. And you... There we go. So now that we're in the scenic area, tell me guys. Ah. Are you good? So I'm doing good. Good is good. Okay, I know I most probably need a speed away or something, but I see a ladder. And the ladder makes me curious. And so does this ramp. Am I meant to be up here? I'll take that as a yes, given how there's resistance. Oh no, he's glitching out. He's dancing, everybody, he's dancing. Oh my gosh. He's breaking it down. Oh, let me get a better view of this. Look, they even has it. Oh, Guys, we were too late. He stopped dancing. We just missed his routine. Better safe than sorry. I'm leaving. Or am I? I hear their footsteps. You know what else I hear? I hear their deaths. Easy kill. What's over here? Is this a helipad? Damn. It really is relaxing over here. I can just sit here and just take a nap. On my bed. Yes, this is fine. Anyway, back on with the game. I have no time to relax, because I have Combine to butcher. But they're scary. And I'm scared. Eh. Disrespect your... Wait. Sorry, this is going to take a while. Let me just, you know, collect all my thingy-majigs. Make sure I'm all nice and happy. Disrespect your surroundings! Bump! Bump, bump. Okay, I'm done. Back home! I'm guessing this was just like a little checkpoint. With graffiti. And dead bodies. You can never be too sure. You can never be. How do you know that he just won't stand up again? He could just be playing dead for all I know. Oh, so I was meant to be up there. That is... It's fine, it's fine. Now you guys are ready for some epic stunts. This is Gordon Freeman coming in live. I'm about to perform the ultimate ramp of wood. There we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I say that too often, but just ignore me. There we go. I can rhyme. Oh, really? I have to get off now? But I really love that thing. Unless I'm blowing something up. I really hope I'm blowing something up. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Just a little bit of a hoppy hop. Oh! Yes, this says, plantation. You can see, it says the P-L-A. Okay, you get the point. Now, where to go? I'm stuck. There we go. Just slowly, peacefully walking around. I mean, no harm. Oh my gosh, that is loud. Ah, cool. And now I head back. And you guys get to watch me do it. Ain't this peak entertainment at its finest? I get a ooh. Oh! Oh no! Oh, you hear that? That is cool. But I killed the bird. That gives me goosebumps. Oh, that sounds so amazing. Let me just use that. I'm trying to think. Wait. Oh, it didn't echo. It's because of the barn door. You can't even hit the broadside of a barn. Up. Yep. Yep. Easy peasy. Let me get the ammo. Let me get the ammo. Ah. Looks like I am doing more stunts. And we're back with Gordon Freeman live cam. Going up the loggy road. Oh, this is gonna be tight, this is gonna be tight. Oh, and Gordon Freeman just barely makes it with the 30-foot drop from above. Oh my gosh, loading screen, I was having so much fun. Hope you guys enjoy loading screens. I enjoy them. Yeah. Oh, oh, the lighting changed. Black Mesa East. What does that say? Anyway. Why is it? It's just light now. Oh, we are home, boys. You know why? Because we have a shadow mark. Okay, Gordon Freeman, it would be nice if you just didn't, you know. I should really do better in my parking, shouldn't I? Come on. Gotta look the part, you know, with my crowbar. Eh. 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 There we go. Sorry, you're in my way. You too, you're in my way. Excuse me, sir. Listen to me. You're in my way. You need to get out of here. Oh, I like that. I don't like him though, he looks weird and wrinkly. There we go, clear the way. Oh, what is...
You've got something. Okay, it's human. Hello? Take it easy in there. You're safe now.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let me out. Let me out.
Process. We can't take any chances. Dr. Freeman? Gordon Freeman? Is that you?
Hello, person.
You've made it here this quickly. Well, Eli is going to be amazed, not to mention relieved. I'm Dr. Mossman, Dr. Judith Mossman. I've been hearing about you since long before the Black Mesa incident. Oh, Black Mesa.
I've just been electrocuted.
I so envy you working with Eli and Dr. Kleiner when they were at the top of their field. Ah, there we go. You can come through now. I'll take you down to Eli right away.
I can't talk to women. I can't talk to women. Stay 5 meters away from me at all
We
times.
could certainly use the extra help around.
Stop talking to me.
We've covered a lot of ground.
I don't trust you.
So much faster if we had more people.
That's unrealistic. Everyone knows video game. Oh, how come? Everyone knows in video games that you're able to blow these things up. Woman, I'm gonna need you to move.
We're closing
Thank
in
you.
on reliable local teleport technology. Something the Combine still hasn't mastered.
Oh no.
Eli thinks their portals are string-based, similar to our Calabi-Yau model, but they've failed to factor in the dark energy equations. They can tunnel through from their universe, but once they're here, they're dependent on local transportation. If they knew what we were doing with entanglement...
Okay, deep breath.
Listen to me, I sound like a postdoc. I'm just so excited to think that we'll finally have the chance to work together. Where was I? Oh, yes. Dr. Kleiner compressed the Zen relay far beyond anything he imagined in Black Mesa.
You come near me,
We
I blow
figured out
up.
how to use Zen as an unexpressed axis. Effectively,
Oh, it's a
dimensional
Dalian.
slingshot, so we can swing around the border world and come back in local space without having to pass through. Oh, here's Eli now.
All right, good. You keep right on.
Eli, look who I found in the airlock.
Gordon Freeman.
You didn't see anything.
Let me get a look at you, man. My God, you haven't changed one iota. How do you do it?
Are you
Now,
Morgan
let's
Freeman
see.
from the
The
last game?
time I saw you, I sent you up for help after the resonance cascade. I never thought it would take you this long to get back to me. Welcome to the lab anyway. It's not Black Mesa, but it served us well enough.
It's going to be a lot more like Black Mesa.
Can you
with
explain why you have
Right you
aliens
are.
on your
MIT
side?
graduates are few and far between these days. We'll get you out of that hazard.
You know how
suit
many of
and
these
back
things
into your
killed
lab
me?
coat where you belong.
Gordon. Let me just finish up some work and I'll see what I can dig up. Dr. Freeman,
Ooh, you got a
it's been
leg.
a real honor. I'm looking forward to working together.
I don't want to look at you ever again in my
Feel
life.
free to look around.
Permission to shoot? No? Okay. You're off the hook this time, lady. Don't act like you know me. What do I do? I feel like I've been kidnapped. Ooh. Ooh. You said feel free to look around. What am I doing though?
Oh, Gordon. The Vortigaunt said you were here. I can't believe you made it so quickly on foot.
See, you I can trust even though you're a female.
Well,
Because you're
He
scared.
earned it. I guess you proved you can handle yourself out there.
Friend of mine.
There's
Boom.
nothing Gordon can't handle.
Okay, now I leave.
With the possible exception of you.
Dad, please.
No, I cannot handle her. She scares me. Actually, no, she doesn't really scare me. I kind of like her as a person, you know. The other one I can just like...
Take a look at this.
Next time she
Gordon.
comes out here, there's just gonna be boop. She's dead. Okay, yeah, what do you want? Yep. Are we doing magic? Is that a yes or no? Are we doing magic? Okay. Why?
Alex, I thought you were on watch.
The Vortigaunts relieved me so I could come see Gordon. Anyway, I should be in here working on the portal.
I have the repairs well in hand. Someone misjudged the capacity of the Combine thyristor.
Are you blaming me?
It's her.
Not at all. It was a calculation error, not a mechanical problem.
Then maybe you should let me do the calculations next time as well as installing it.
Alex, really? Sometimes I think you deliberately misunderstand me.
Alex, why don't you take Gordon along and give him some practice with the gravity gun?
Ooh,
Sure.
ooh, yes
on,
please,
Gordon.
yes please.
Let's go have some fun.
The zero-point energy
Okay.
field manipulator is not a toy, Alex.
Ugh, let's get out of here.
Oh, I have to walk by her? I don't want to walk by her, she's... Okay, yes, where are we going? Friend.
So I see you've met Dr. Mossman.
Is that her name?
She's one of the main reasons I spend so
No
much
wonder I
time
don't want to
outside.
touch her.
You should hear her drone on
moss,
about how it
you.
should have been her in the
She's
Black
gross
Mesa
and
test chamber
slimy.
that day.
She grows on wood.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be talking behind her back.
In other words, she's
it
a
just
whore.
gets a bit claustrophobic down here. That's the old passage to Ravenholm. We don't go there anymore.
Why? What's wrong with Ravenholm?
Come on.
Is Ravenholm a bad place? Has it been destroyed by the Combine? The alien policeman? Where'd you... Oh, there she is, okay. Okay, you go that way, and I'll go this way, so I can scan you and I don't have to... Any buttons I can press? I can sabotage. That's great. Where are we heading, Alex? We're heading to a loading screen.
So, here we are. The scrapyard.
Ooh, ooh.
This is a gravity gun my father was talking about.
Why'd you just push me out the way?
You
You're
can call it a
rude.
zero-point energy field manipulator,
Eh.
if you really want to.
It's a grav gun.
It's designed for handling hazardous materials, but we mainly use it for heavy lifting. Give it a try. The primary trigger emits a charge. You can punch stuff and send it flying. I found it handy for clearing minefields.
I can paint.
The secondary trigger lets you grab things. You can throw them with the primary. Once you've picked something up,
Can I
you
can I
drop
catch it? Can I
gently
catch it?
while pressing your
Can I catch it?
secondary trigger again.
Oh, look at that skill.
Stuff and toss it.
Oh, and I can catch it again. I can catch it again. Pew. Oh, she has a solid forehead, that girl. Big brain.
You can also pull stuff over from a distance. Try grabbing those barrels from that ledge up there. All right.
Pew. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And I catches it. Oh my gosh, she's so good.
See if you can stack some stuff to climb up here.
I don't care about you. Oh. Do I get a like a
Stacking
refund
some
on?
things. Grab something with your secondary trigger, then press the same trigger again to drop it gently. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Wait. This is so fun. I've now been silent because I'm just playing around because it's just fun. Hello,
Now
ma'am.
let me call Dog. He loves to play fetch.
Is that dog?
Dog, come.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Let's play. Catch.
Good doggy.
He's so cool.
Gordon, this is Dog.
Hello,
My
dog.
dad built him to protect me when I was a kid. First model was about yay high. I've been adding to him ever since. Haven't I, boy?
Yes. Okay, he's pretty
Okay,
cool.
Dog, let's play catch with Gordon. You'll need to use the gravity gun.
Okay.
Go ahead, Dog. Throw.
Oh, is he throwing? Oh, I thought I was gonna be throwing.
Good catch. Throw another, Dog.
Come at me, boy. I can do this. Womp and pow.
Another one, Dog. Excellent.
Woohoo! Did that mortar shot? He gets a ball? I want a ball. Is that a ball? That's a bloody rock. What are you talking? What the hell? Oh! Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? I don't want to touch that. What is that? Ah, is this the ball? Can I get in? Do I have to play with you, dog? No.
Nice catch.
Oh, this is cool. We need more things like this in games. Just a simple game of catch, you know, with a dog.
When I told you Dog liked to play
Inverted
fetch,
commas.
I didn't tell you who'd be fetching, did I?
This is nice.
Throw something bigger.
Were you telling Dog to throw something bigger? Oh no. Okay. If you dare throw the dumpster thing at me.
No, no, boy. Down. Put that down.
Oh no, let him throw it. I can take it.
What is it, dog? Oh my god, what was that? Scanners! Oh, the combine sweeping the area. Gotta head back to the lab. Come on, Gordon.
Now I run and I hop and I wanna swing around. Can I? Ah! No! No! Stop shooting! I didn't do anything wrong. I was playing with a. I was just playing around. How'd you get your dog? I'm bringing a box with me. 'Cause you know, it's a box.
Alex, do you read?
Alex! Honey,
What's going on in there?
where are you, Alex?
We're in the scrapyard airlock, stuck in a full auto cycle.
Is Gordon still with you?
He's
No.
right here.
I don't want to do anything
I
for
want
you.
too.
Dad?
I want you too, Daddy.
Head for the coast. Do not go through rape.
Dad? Dad! Damn it! Dog, open the airlock. Get us out of here. Hurry, now! Tear it apart, you. Get it open. That's enough, dog.
Not enough for me as
Come on,
well.
Gordon. Come on!
Wait, my box. Da 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 dum. Damn it.
Gordon, you need to get out of here. I can't leave my father. Dog, take Gordon to the Ravenholm tunnel, then circle.
There's an
around
alien
and
behind
come
you.
with me. Hurry!
Oh my. Okay, that was pretty cool. Why are we going to Ravenholm? Is it a good place? Is it a bad place? It's contaminated. How is it that you can read it easier from afar? Look, that easily says contaminated. As soon as you go right next to it, it's just blurred. I like your face, Doug. You're very cool. Okay, this is so fun. Okay. I think I don't want to go to Ravenholm anymore. Okay. Little bit. I'm an idiot. I was trying to stack my way up there, but let me just save. And now we climb. My, this must be a very boring episode, isn't it? Ah!
Major fracture detected.
Well then. My heart stopped beating. Good thing I saved. This is why I hate ladders. Loading. It's a beautiful thing to see. We don't go to Ravenholm. And that's why I'm not going until the next episode. If you guys like the video, why not like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.